All right, you guys, we're here at another duplex today, but today we are in downtown, specifically the Midtown area. We're at one of the traditional duplexes that you'll see in this type of neighborhood, built in 1905. You have the upstairs unit, that's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. We're in the downstairs unit, which is vacant, which is a 2-bed, 1-bath. What's really cool about this property, you have a massive lot with alley access, which we'll show you later to be able to go over some potential value add opportunities. But this is something that is going to need some work, at least on this downstairs unit. The upstairs unit has been a little bit more updated, but kept its same character of these older houses. But we'll give you a quick run through of this one here. We're in our main living room. You do have what would be the dining room area that is kind of combined here. But you do have this nice, cool little arch that I do like those little features with a lot of these older houses. But this is something that's going to need a lot of love to get this thing ready. As we come in here, you'll see the kitchen needs some updating, decent space, but this is something where you could definitely remodel this and utilize this space a lot better. This is something that needs a lot of work to get going, but it's got a cool floor plan. We do have this little bonus area right here. You know, this could be your reading nook, whatever you want. But
very industrial.
But as we go outside, what's cool about this property, you have a massive backyard that extends all the way out with alley access. So something like this that we've seen in the past with duplexes with these types of lots, where you're able to split this and be able to add another, duplex, 4-plex unit, most likely another duplex or another EDU to be able to get better rental income added to this property. So really cool feature that this property has. Here. All right, you guys, we're back inside. We're going to check out the 2 bedrooms in this unit. We're going to have bedroom 1 right here, which is a really good size.
Star Wars wallpaper.
Hey,
I love it.
That is pretty cool. But good sized room. Again, you have the original hardwood floors and all here. But this is something, like I said, is going to need a little bit of love. But these type of duplexes, once you get it remodeled, you can rent them out for pretty high, especially in this area. You're only 5 minutes from, most restaurants and stuff. You're a 2-minute walk to Temple. You have Sac Co-op that's right over here as well. But this is a great area. We got your main bath, your only bath over here, which is a good size. Again, it needs updating, but at least you have a good layout to be able to use. That unit upstairs, which is a 3-bed, 1-bath. Again, more square footage up there. You do have a bigger bath. You do have a long-term tenant that's been in there as well. So you'll have that rental income right out the gate. Be able to take your time here, get this renovated, and then move on to that next tenant from there. Yeah, you guys, so we just went through that quick tour. Again, this is a great fixer, a good opportunity with this duplex, especially with how big the lot is to be able to do, an additional unit or additional 2 units with something like that, where we're seeing it a lot more in downtown Sacramento. So this is something where, depending on zoning on this exact lot, which we haven't checked out yet, but this is something where you could really, develop a little bit more to have a lot better of a income producing asset.
This would definitely be a potential property, like a property that you're going to need to maximize the potential. Because at the price tag right now for what you're going to be getting out of it monthly, at least to live in it, probably not going to be worthwhile. But looking long term, either building another unit on it, another duplex, or even just fixing it up and being able to rent for really max dollar, it's in a great spot, as Garrett was saying, but definitely needs a little bit of love, a little bit of work. Probably not going to be the one you're going to move into from 5% down and try to make back your income while you're in it. So
yeah, but depending on the type of investor that you want to be, or the time or the place that you have to be able to do a fixer like this and have the capital, or to be able to get something down the road to do those extra units, it's definitely a longer play, but another great investment opportunity.